What's up, guys? James here with Fun Fact of the Day. Hope you guys are having a great day, learning lots, and getting stuff done. Today's episode is brought to you by the Amazon Rainforest. It's lit. No, but are you tired of looking at memes and things all about the Amazon Rainforest and how it's burning and how it needs to be saved? Maybe you want a solution on how to save it specifically. Well, it is your lucky day because I have an extremely specific solution for you to save the Amazon Rainforest with you and 14,932 of your best friends. In order for you to fully understand this method and where I'm coming from, we're going to take you to India, where two people from Hawaii moved in order to restore an Indian rainforest themselves. These two people moved to India and they bought 55 acres of land that used to be a bunch of rice and coffee farms. But after the farming had died off and the soil had been depleted, nothing could grow there, so it was just barren. And over the years, they continued to buy land until they had over 300 acres of land. And during these years, they took the time to plant new trees, new grass, new everything. And slowly, they started bringing wildlife into this area, and it became their own little wildlife preserve rainforest. It has over 300 species of birds, a whole bunch of endangered animals, lions, tigers, elephants, oh my, and everything you could ever imagine, all just from the hands of two people. So, where the 14,932 of your closest friends comes in is, in the last couple months, over 7,000 square miles of Amazon rainforest has burned, and that translates to about 4.5 million acres. So, if you break that down to 300-acre plots, you have 14,932 300-acre plots that you and your friends can go buy up and grow a new rainforest. So, if you ever wondered how to fix a rainforest that's been deforested, that is how. I have a link down below for the video that's been playing right here. It's an actual interview with the people who did this. And if you enjoyed this at all, leave a like down below. It'll help the rainforest. Thank you very much. Subscribe, and that's all for me today. If you want to see more videos just like this one, but probably even better and definitely funnier, click the link right here. I will have a whole playlist just for you, and I will see you tomorrow.